Hello my YouTube friends, welcome to my garden. Today I will show you stage 7 of our rose garden development. But before we start, let me briefly show what was done in the first 6 stages. This is the slope that we have above the orchard, and it will be transformed into a rose garden. So today we will start building a wall. So we level the plot here, and the level should be the same as for those beds in our flower garden. So it's all should be one flat space, and we will remove this grass and we will fill it up with soil, a lot of soil and dirt. And of course we will do a retaining wall. This is the view from the side of the upper flower garden. So all this area should be covered with dirt, new dirt. So this is our rose garden, future rose garden. The first thing we done for this stage, we put up this arbor. And we planted 2 roses, climbers. Beautiful yellow and red roses. We also started to develop a path and this path will lead to this arbor. We already planted here another climbing rose, but there will be 2 or 3 more. Inside of this arbor we will have a landing where we'll be having teas in the afternoons. We will put up tables and chairs here, small ones, to sit under the shade of the roses. I could not resist not to videotape these tulips. This is the 4th or 5th week. Amazing work, tulips. Let me also give you an update on our strawberry patch. In the fall, I planted 35 strawberries and they are already producing. Let me show you. more strawberries are coming, and I will plant 200 more. So I will have around 250 strawberries.